Okay, hi, my name is Terrika Nelson, and today we're going to learn how to attach a file to a Google document. So first you select your account, and you sign in. I already have my password, otherwise you type your password, push next, then it will log in for you. Then you go to Compose, and it will bring up here in the right bottom corner a new message. You can send it to whoever you'd like. I'm just going to send it to myself. You type in a subject. Let's just say I'm going to send myself a document. I can spell document. There we go. And then you just go down here to File, Attach Files. You select which file you're going to attach. I'm going to attach my reaction paper number 1. I'm going to open it. And then once that attaches, it'll turn blue. And then you go ahead and send it. The recipient on the opposite side will receive a document that looks like this.